Welcome to Amazing 7. And today we are counting down our picks for the 7 awkward looking childhood stars who are now beautiful. Everyone can look through family photo albums and find pictures of themselves going through an awkward stage. A mouthful of braces, bottle bottom glasses, even questionable clothes. But child stars of course go through that stage in public and on camera. But eventually, everyone grows up and quite a few morph into beautiful stars. Here are 7 awkward looking childhood stars who are now looking beautiful. Once they got past puberty, these before and afters will have you doing double takes. Number 7. Alexa Panvega. The pretty kid from the Spy Kids have grown up into a beautiful blonde. She appeared as Killjoy in Mashed Kills and pretty much blew up everyone's minds with her growing up. The soon-to-be 29-year-old actress is also a competitive gymnast who starred as Priscilla in Little Giants during 1994. She changed her last name to Panvega after being married to Carlos Pena in 2014. She was born Alexa Alice Vega. Number 6. Nicola Peltz. Nicola Peltz was the awkward-looking child star in The Last Airbender but turned into an attractive young lady. In Bates Motel, the audience literally gaped at the screen when they saw Bradley impressing people both with her acting skills and the beauty that she has. The star also appeared in the Twilight Saga and attended several prestigious private schools in New York. Her father is the billionaire Nelson Peltz, who once owned the Snapple Drink Company. Number 5. Matthew Lewis. When we saw Harry Potter, Matthew Lewis was just a cute, forgetful boy with a baby face. Man, did anyone know that he, out of all the handsomes on screen at that time, would turn out to be the most good-looking of the lot? We are not including Robert Pattinson in this list, just Ron, Harry, Draco and Neville. One of his fans proposed to him and he wrote yes on the paper and signed it. Later he hoped that it was not legally binding. Just so you know, Matthew himself prefers looks over personality, but if the latter is bad, he won't hang with them for long. Number 4. Alison Stoner. The star from Cheaper by the Dozen turned out to be a stunner from head to toe. She released a video in 2015 as a reminder to people that the little girl from Missy Elliott's videos has grown up superbly into a beautiful woman that we could all love. At the time of her debut, Alison was just 9 years old. She was also once the backup dancer for Will Smith on Nickelodeon Kids' Choice Awards. Being part of the Step Up franchise gave Alison full opportunity to use her dancing skills for fun and fandom. It is not only her career that she has been lauded for. People also love the beauty because of her heart on sensitive issues like education of the underprivileged. Number 3. Alex D. Linz. The naughty kid from Home Alone 3 was quite cute by our standards already, but growing up has brought some changes in him and he is all the more handsome. He was introduced to the showbiz at a tender age of 6 and today he stands at 28. Max Keeble's big move and Home Alone 3 rendered not only local fame but international stardom to the hero. Unfortunately for his fans, he is no longer active in the showbiz and thus there is not much information about his current whereabouts. What we do know is that he was attending college at the University of California. Number 2. Jonathan Lipnicki. All those times we watched Stuart Little, we did not see the little boy from Jerry Maguire turning into the beau that he became. It is quite interesting to see the transformation of young awkward-looking kids and teenagers into handsome people when the hormones finally start to settle down. If staring as the son of Tom Cruise's girlfriend matters, well, he was that in Stuart Little. Born in 1990, the actor is now almost 27. Number 1. Nicholas Hoult. He was blue-eyed and yet chubby. He was kind of awkward in the About a Boy, but he made everyone fall in love with him in Skins. With his roles in A Single Man and Warm Bodies, he proved that he will continue to mesmerize the world with his awesome transformation from a blue-eyed baby boy into one of the most handsome people that Hollywood today has. In fact, he ended up with one of the prettiest women in our times, Jennifer Lawrence.
Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips of Amazing 7 and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified our latest videos.